Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Now, let's talk about the preparation and tools needed. First, you will be needing a flat and neat workplace. Next,
screwdrivers, aluminum foil, and containers.
disassemble. Step 1. Remove the screws at the back of the system unit and take off the side cover. Place the screws in a bowl or a box for convenience and group them by use. Step 2. Inspect the wires, cables, drivers, and cards of the system unit. It is at utmost importance to document where each and every part goes so you know how to put them back later. Once you done, disconnect side panel cable. Remove the RAM by pressing the retention clip and gently rocking it back and forth. Place it to the aluminum foil to prevent static discharges. Then, use a screwdriver to remove the power supply box. And the video card. Finally, carefully remove the screws off the motherboard. When done, lift the motherboard with caution as this is one of the most sensitive parts of the system unit. You've successfully disassembled your system unit.
Assemble. Safety precautions. Create an ESD-free environment or work area by rubbing hands and holding a metal base for 10 seconds.
Step 1. Return the motherboard first.
This is the motherboard.
The segregated screws will come in handy because you don't have to go in trouble of figuring out which screws goes where. Check if you place each screw properly. Step 2. Gently place the video card.
This is the video card.
The power supply box.
This is the power supply unit. Position the power supply unit into the case. Screw it from the outside with 4 case screws.
and screw the CD drive and the hard drive.
This is the optical disk drive. This is the hard disk drive. This is the lever. This is the CPU load plate. Push the lever down and then to the right, and then pull it upwards, and then the CPU load plate. This is the CPU.
Caution: when handling a CPU, do not touch the CPU contacts at any time.
This is the thermal paste, and you should add a small amount of it to the CPU.
Note: thermal compound helps to conduct heat away from the CPU.
This is the CPU fan and heatsink.
Reconnect the buses and the other cables. Make sure that you do this part correctly, as a single mismatched cable may result your computer to not function properly.
This is the random access memory.
And then, return the side cover.
This is the side panel.
You successfully assemble your system unit.
Like a Hellcat.